guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you a quick way to fade off your dark spots. Now I am a victim of that because for some months I used to experience a lot of pimples around here and here, and it was really very painful. But of course the pimples are actually gone, but I have a little bit of dark spots which is fading off, which I'm going to be showing you one among the ingredients that I use to scrub out all of those dark spots. Now I use other ones, but this is one of them that I use, and it works really fine, helpful, and it's so natural. I'm sure you're going to be getting all of the ingredients that I'm going to be showing you in this video because it's actually very simple to make. And you have to give it a little time to work, okay? Because pimples fade off from the skin, it doesn't disappear. Okay, so get that. Now let's dive into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and share the video. And let's go. Alright, for dark spots we're going to be making use of potato. Now potato is a natural skin bleach that helps to fade up dark spots. It helps to rejuvenate, and the starchy content in potato helps to shrink large and open pores, therefore leaving your skin really smooth and hydrated. It therefore helps to even out your skin tone, removing fine lines and as well as wrinkles. And then we're going to be needing milk. Now milk contains a lactic acid that helps to remove fine lines and wrinkles. It works in rejuvenating and repairing a damaged skin. It removes sunburn, sun damage, age spots, and dark spots. And then we're going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliating remedy that exfoliates the dead skin cells and rejuvenates the skin. It works wonders in repairing, and it also helps to fade off dark spots gradually. Then we're going to be needing aloe vera. Now aloe vera is an almighty remedy that works wonders in repairing the skin. It removes dark spots, age spots, pigmentations, and it also helps to make your skin look really healthy, smooth, and really young. Using aloe vera alongside with all natural ingredients that I just showed you is going to remove or fade off your dark spots gradually, leaving your skin really smooth, supple, and evenly toned. Alright guys, so to prepare that, we're going to first of all be preparing the aloe vera. So I'm gonna be extracting just the juice of this aloe vera into the bowl by scraping it this way. This is actually the simplest way that I extract my aloe vera gel. Now for the baking soda, I'm actually going to be taking in half tablespoon of baking soda. And then 1 tablespoon of milk. Now I have to stir it. Alright, this is how it looks like. Really slimy, man. And the next step is to peel the potato. have to create the protector. Mix it and make sure that I have enough juice. Then I would have to sieve it out. Now the potato juice is actually very important, okay? So you would have to you can actually blend yours if you want the juice to be much. You just blend it and then you have much juice. So after that, then you have to stir it, and so that the settled starch can get into this treatment, okay? Now all of the goodness is in here. Now I would love to use my manual mixer to mix it all up. Alright, so I'll mix it until the aloe vera actually loses its slimeness a little. And here we go. So you can see that the aloe vera has actually loses its sliminess, okay, because of the mixer. So you have to use a mixer, okay, to mix it, or you can either just blend it. Alright, so this is actually your dark spot treatment. Okay, let's go and apply this on the face, and this is actually going to help to remove all of your dark spots. Okay guys, so here is the dark spots remedy, and when you keep it for a little while, when you come back, you would have to, you know, just mix it up again, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, and then I'm going to be using a brush to apply that. Alright, this is how it is. Not really too slimy like the way it was before, but trust me guys, when you use this treatment on your face, look at my skin. You can see those pimples. As the last 2 weeks it was darker. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to be applying that, and then you just give me 2 more weeks and I will come back to show you how my dark spot is fading, okay, with this treatment. And with all other very sharp treatment that I use, just 2 ingredients, which I'm going to be showing you in another video. Okay, so you have to apply that on the affected area. Apply generously guys, okay? I see that dark spot there, that dark spot on my forehead. Most of the time when I eat granuts, okay, like nuts, any nut, mostly granite, I would experience pimples coming out on my face. So what I do is that I grab aloe vera, draw it very close to me, and poof, I apply. Okay, so you have to apply it generously, and then sometimes I just love to use my hand to apply this thing, okay, so I could feel it really well. Then you scrub it, okay. Alright, so the dark spot on my jaw area is actually fading really good. Alright, okay, okay guys, so for this treatment you would have to use it every morning for the space of 1 month. Okay, you have to give it time, because dark spot actually fade off, does not disappear. Okay, it fade off, so it fade gradually by gradually, and before you know it, 1 month your face is clear. And not only will it clear all of the dark spots, it will also remove those white heads, you know, hanging on your nose, and those black heads hanging on your jaw, everywhere, and all of that. And your skin is going to be brighter. Okay, your skin is going to be looking really brighter, and also it's going to be looking really pop, like your skin is going to pop up, you know. And yeah, so what you do is that you apply this every morning, and then you scrub all of your face, your hands with it, just like I'm scrubbing my, scrub your knuckle if you're having any darkness at your knuckle area, you scrub it all off. Okay, and you're gonna be loving your skin. Scrub it with this ingredient. Like for me, I don't really have dark knuckles, but I just love to scrub, because most times when you ignore it, that's when it starts coming out and then showing. So after this, you have to, you know, wait for just 3 to 5 minutes, and then you just go wash it off. And it's already getting dry on my skin already. Well, it's not something you have to allow it to dry. You just wait for 5 minutes, and then you go wash it off. Look at my skin, it pops really well. Man, I'm loving this. Okay, so that's how you take care of your skin. Give it a little time, and this dark spots remedy is going to work really fine on your skin, and you are going to be loving it. Like for mine, it's getting. Alright, so you can see for like 2 weeks ago, the pimples, the dark spots on my skin was actually darker than, you know, today. But of course, I'll be coming back again in 2 weeks time to show you how it's going to be like, because I'm going to be scrubbing every day. Now you can use this treatment every day. It is mild enough for you to use every day. All of the ingredients, in it are really mild enough for you to use every day. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys, and mwah.